Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of that fresh, glowing complexion without overdoing it, then I think we're in for a treat today. Let's talk about the Perricone MD No Makeup Gel Highlighter. This sleek little gem promises a subtle glow with a light coverage, and it comes in a cool silver shade that's perfect for giving that dewy, luminous finish. Let's dive into how this product stacks up in real-world use. Perricone MD is well known for its skin-focused formulations, so it's no surprise that their No Makeup Gel Highlighter is designed to give you that glowing, lit-from-within look without being too intense. The product has a gel-like texture that's easy to apply and blends seamlessly into the skin. It's marketed as having a sheer finish, which is great for those who prefer a more natural look, and I'll be honest, this highlighter definitely delivers on that front. One of the first things I noticed when I tested it out was how effortlessly it glided onto my skin. The gel formula feels lightweight and comfortable, not sticky or greasy, which I love. I applied it to the high points of my face, cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of my nose, and it blended in beautifully, creating a soft, radiant glow without any visible glitter or chunks. It's the type of highlighter that gives you a glow that looks like it's coming from within, rather than something sitting on top of your skin. The texture is definitely its strength. The sheer coverage allows you to build it up to the level of glow you want, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. It's great for layering over foundation or just wearing on its own for that natural no makeup look. Plus, the silver shade is subtle enough to complement a range of skin tones, especially if you're looking for something that's not too warm or gold-toned. Now, let's talk about how it holds up throughout the day. I wore it during a full 8-hour shift to test its longevity, and I was impressed by how it stayed put. It didn't slide around or fade, which can sometimes happen with gel-based products. It kept my skin looking fresh and radiant, even as the day went on. No touch-ups needed. In terms of cons, the only thing I would mention is that because the coverage is so light, you might need to apply more product if you're someone who enjoys a bit more intensity. It's not the kind of highlighter you can layer excessively to achieve that dramatic, spotlight-like glow. It's more about enhancing your natural features with a soft sheen. When it comes to value for money, this is where things get interesting. Perricone MD products tend to be on the higher end of the price spectrum, and while this highlighter is lovely, I wouldn't say it's the most affordable option on the market. However, considering the brand's focus on quality ingredients and skin health, the price is somewhat justified, especially if you're after something that's lightweight, buildable, and skin-friendly. If you're someone who loves luxury skincare with a hint of makeup, this could be a good investment. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are plenty of similar gel-based highlighters from brands like ELF and Maybelline that offer a similar finish at a lower price. While they may not have the same luxurious feel or skincare benefits, they still deliver that subtle, radiant glow. To sum it up, the Perricone MD No Makeup Gel Highlighter is a great choice for anyone who wants a natural, lit-from-within glow without the heavy, glittery finish. It's especially perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone who wants a highlighter that works with their skin's natural texture rather than masking it. While it's not the most intense highlighter out there, it definitely shines when it comes to subtlety, skin-friendly ingredients, and a soft, radiant finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this highlighter, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, you can find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.